At the time of this video, we have more than 7 altcoins which are mainly focusing on data. But one thing that's still missing in it, that what a simple user will get by this data. Before getting into it, one major thing, what is data all about in crypto? So, the big data is the data that contains the greater variety arriving in increasing the volumes and with more velocity. Put simply, big data is larger, more complex data sets, especially from the new data sources. So in this video, we are going to check out one platform which will facilitate its users only by using it. Stay tuned with us because this coin will be the next moon coin, and surely this coin will give us up to 40x in hardly next 3 months, and surely you are going to see this altcoin among top 50 altcoins at least. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
You guessed it right, we are going to discuss about the Cirus coin. It's an ERC20 token and available on number of big exchanges. The ticker and also the token name is the same, CIRUS, and it is available on KuCoin exchange, Bitmart exchange, and also it is available on the Gate.io exchange in USDT pair. The price is only $1.09, and my own price prediction about the Cirus coin that it will easily reach up to $40 or $42 in next 3 months. So what type of work will Cirus do with the data? One major thing, big companies always collect the data, our data, and sell that data. But first time, Cirus is working for the consumer, that how we can collect our data and also convert that data into digital assets. Cirus will help us in many ways. With the help of this picture, you can easily understand. Here you can see the data, and with the help of this router, now we got our value in the crypto assets. That how we can collect the data and also convert that data into digital assets. Cirus will help us in many manners. It's simple to use. With only one router, we are able to scale everything and convert it into real digital assets. We can easily connect that router with our smartphones, Android, TVs, and even with our PCs. And only by doing daily work, we can simply get profit from the day one. Just do what you want to do, but use Cirus and generate passive income by doing nothing. For example, as I am from UAE, so if you are going to use the Cirus over here, simply connect it with your mobile phone, and then you can go to your office, you can even go for the gym. Anywhere you will go, just use it and make a second income with help of it. It's so good to be true that a company is giving everyone digital assets only for their own data. The Cirus device is a revolutionary solution designed to address the accessibility challenge by serving as a replacement for a standard home internet router. Plugging it in gives the user instant access to a cryptocurrency wallet, as well as the ability to leverage the Cirus network for control and monetization of their data. Here you can see the white paper of the Cirus. The Cirus core platform is a mix of modern ad tech and blockchain technology, giving the users the key to own their data. The network will be supported by the virtual validators nodes at first, then by the routers themselves validating the network, and validators will be rewarded by the Cirus token. Cirus core platform and the Cirus Confluence, they both are working on the networks. All three components interlink, forming a robust system that accomplishes 3 major paradigm shifts in the way people connect to, earn from, and contribute to the ownership economy. So overall, the idea of this platform is huge. In simple words, now we are going to discuss something in simple words about the Cirus. You must have to follow them on the Twitter because every day they are sharing new things about their project. The community and the team is working 24/7 for the development of this altcoin. It's entirely easy to use. Simply use the router and connect it with your smartphones, with your TVs, and also with your laptops, and do what you want to do. But at the end of the day, you will get some profit only using this router. So everything is good and the coin will be huge soon. What do you think about the price idea of the Cirus? Do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.